It's a little bit complicated, but it's okay. Once you understand the manipulation, you'll just be like, oh, yes, this makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and rub all this away so that we've got a bit more room to work with, because it's a bit more of a worded question. I need to make sure I've got some room. So here we go. So we've got integral between a and 1. So this time with my limits, what I actually want to find is the area under all of this between a and, oh sorry, not 0, it's 1. So imagine 1 is here, which would make sense because up here that would be infinite because we have an asymptote. So let's say we're doing it between this area here and all of this. Well, lucky for us, we can actually say to ourselves, this is the same as integrating between 4, I'll start backwards, between a and 4, 4 over the square root of x with respect to x, which by the way, we know this is 9. Plus the integral between, now we need this part here, which is 4 and 1, between 4 over root x with respect to x. Now, I don't know what that is, but I can easily integrate here. So we know the first section is 9, which we'll just leave there for a second. And then this is the same as the integral between 4 and 1 of 4x to the negative a half. Remember, when I integrate, I always want to put it in index form first. So let's go ahead and integrate. I increase the power by 1, minus a half plus 1 is positive a half, and I divide by the new power. 4 divided by a half is 8. And now I need to put the limits of 4 and 1 in. So I'm going to get 8 lots of 4 to the power of a half when I put the limit, my upper limit 4, minus 8 lots of 1 to the power of a half when I put my lower limit of 1. So 4 to the power of a half is the square root of 4, which is 2. 8 times 2 is 16, minus 1 to the power of a half is 1 times 8, which is 8. So I'm going to get 16 minus 8, which is 8. I'm going to add that to my original one because this means that this area here equals 8. We know this is 9. So if we add them together, we're going to get 17 as our final answer. So 9 plus 8 equals 17, which is really lovely. Well done.